The European Seed Association is a great organization made up of the country organizations, seed associations, and it's a great gathering of people. It's an opportunity for us to exchange views with other people and find out what's important to other people, where the opportunities and the risks are for us as an industry, and I think a way for us to share common views in terms of what's important for the industry to move forward and important issues for the industry to address. Collectively, it's important that the seed industry have a good environment to create our business in. You know, Bayer is investing a lot of money in Europe right now. We've started our oilseed rape business last year, and we are investing in our wheat breeding business. We opened a station in Gatterslab in Germany. We have one in France. We have one in Ukraine. We're breeding in Poland and Romania. So we want to be doing things in a way that is going to facilitate good development of our products, and more importantly, have an environment that we understand and we can be a good corporate citizen developing products to drive the technology forward and provide better products and innovation for the growers. That's a great question. I think for the industry holistically, advantageous presence is a really important issue. And we need some science-based way to address this with something other than zero tolerance as a baseline to work from. I think it's also important that all the organizations in the respective regions find ways to facilitate international movement of a seed. The free movement of seed is vital for creating good heterotic pools and having exchange of germplasm to create more strength and vigor in our breeding programs and the products that we generate. And this is very important that there's a common view on how you approach this from an international perspective, because you really need some common elements to be able to facilitate this movement of seed. And I think the area of intellectual property is very important. We need ways that you can protect the investments the companies are making in a way that is equitable for everybody that's involved in them, and some way of involving stakeholders in terms of having the advantage of participating in the technology as it moves forward. So I think these are really important issues for the international organizations to do, and I think ESA plays an important role in participating in that, and more importantly, collecting the views and consolidating, having a European view that you can add then into the International Seed Federation, who is another really important body in facilitating the free movement of product and creating the environment for commerce and technology advancement. I think the ESA has some priorities that they're working on, and with new regulatory products coming from the European Union, I think it's great that they have been proactive and been feeding their input into the system, because I think legislation is very important to protect the countries for having products that come into the country that don't damage or put at risk anything from a plant quarantine or anything that affects the environment for their operating. But the flip side of the coin is you need regulation that people can practically operate under, and that it's simple and effective, and there's some mechanism for government to be able to hear industry's views and needs, and that encourages investment and creates an environment for the many companies that participate in this. There's over 7,000 companies that participate in the European development, and it's all driving towards creating good, healthy products to feed over 500 million people. I think Bayer's approach is a more integrated solution for crop production. So we're in a unique position where we have a diverse portfolio that includes seed growth products, and then a list of crop protection products that help optimize yields. And I think what we are being able to do is develop technology where all the component pieces are complementary to generate maximum yields. And from our perspective, we're just trying to make it easier for the grower to be able to use these tools and understand the benefit of each of these tools. So it starts with the seed and then it progresses all the way through to harvest, and we want to be their partner along the way.